Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look and I absolutely love it. This is inspired by Aditi Rao Hydari's one of her Instagram looks. I always love how she has a very natural, glowy, dewy thing going on and with minimal makeup. That's amazing. This is a very wearable look and you can wear it wherever you want actually. This look is about everything that I love. This video is in partnership with Plum Body Lovin', but this is my honest feedback after using their products for a couple of days. Plum is a brand about body positivity and I love their tagline, which is love every inch. They are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, nasties-free, and they are really affordable. They have some super fun and offbeat fragrances ranging from fruity to floral. They've also got dessert-inspired fragrance and there is something for everyone. And the really cool thing about them is that they use recyclable plastic only for their packaging and they take back your empty bottles to get them recycled and give you reward points in return. So I've got 3 products to show you today. The first one is the Hawaiian Roomba Shower Gel. It is sulfate-free, soap-free, and I just love the smell. It's got a very sweet and tropical smell, so when I take a shower with this, I instantly go to a very tropical vacay mood. This has got olive oil in it, so after my shower, my skin does not feel dry and feels moisturized. The next one is the Hawaiian Roomba Colada Gel Body Lotion. It is silicone-free, non-greasy, but super hydrating. It's for all skin types and it contains sustainably sourced Brazilian nut oil for ultra moisturization. Next is the Hawaiian Roomba Body Mist. I actually carry it with me every time I go out because I just love the smell. It is so sweet and feels so fresh and tropical. I am a beach girl and it feels like I'm in a beach vacationing. And it's got an aloe-infused formula and it lasts for about a good 2 hours. Guys, if you do like sweet and tropical scents, you are gonna thank me for this. So the Nykaa Pink Friday sale is on till the 30th of November. So hurry and get these beachy body care plums at great offers. Alright guys, so all set. Now let's get started. I just washed my face with the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. I have been using this cleanser since I don't even remember since when. This has become my go-to cleanser. This one is for sensitive skin and my skin has been loving this since the time I started using it. You know, unlike other cleansers, when you wash your face, it tends to dry out your skin, but this one doesn't. It is super gentle. This one is SLS soap, fragrance, paraben-free. And if you guys are looking for a new cleanser, I would definitely suggest you this one. For this look, I really need to prep my skin. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. It soothes my skin and keeps my skin hydrated. It relieves my skin from dryness and it also calms your skin if you have sunburned skin. It is for all skin types. This is my go-to moisturizing lotion before I apply my makeup because the makeup sits on my skin really well. Next product that I'm going to be using is the PAC Pure Hydration Gel. I love this hydration gel. It's got that silicone feel to it, but it also hydrates my skin. The next product I'm going to be using is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pinklite and I'm going to be using it liberally and applying it with my hands. It just adds such a beautiful glow to the skin. I'm done with the prep, now going in with the foundation. I'm going to use my favorite foundation, which is the Forever 52 Glow Stick Foundation. Aditi's skin always looks like her skin. It does not look like she's applied any kind of foundation or makeup. I'm just going to buff it out with a brush. I just love how beautifully it blends and it just looks like your skin but better and just gives a very beautiful glow to the skin. Now going in with the concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. The reason why I love this one is it blends so beautifully. Next one that I'm going to apply is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes to brighten that area and to give it a little bit of more coverage. Next, I'm going to take my Forever 52 Banana Luxury Powder. Just apply it with my sponge on top of the concealer to set my concealer in place so that it does not crease. For my contour, I'm going to be using the Forever 52 Glow Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Spelt. Just a little bit on my forehead and my jawline. And I'm also going to contour my nose. And now I'm just going to blend everything with my sponge. So I didn't really do a very powerful contour. It's just a very light contour. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. This is in the shade Charcoal. Aditi is known for her brows, her thick, bushy brows. And it looks so youthful and so bushy. I think I just overdid my brows a little than usual, but it's okay. For my lips, I'm going to use this MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Velvet Teddy. I'm just going to dab it on my lips. I'm also going to take this and apply it as an eyeshadow. So if you're in a hurry, you can apply your lipstick as your eyeshadow. It instantly looks very, very fresh and your eyes look awake. Also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a tissue and dab my lips with it. So I'm going to take this Sugar Suede Secret Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Plush Pink. And I'm just going to add it a little on my lips. And then just dab it. I'm going to take this K Beauty Lip Liner. This is in the shade Hype. And I'm just going to very, very lightly line my lips. I'm trying not to make it look prominent. I'm also going to use the lipstick as my blush. So just taking it with my fingers and applying it. And it blends so easily and super smoothly. The slightest amount on the nose. She has a beautiful glowing face. So for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Lime Crime Hi-lite Blossoms. And I'm going to use the Warm Gold shade. I'm just going to drench myself in the highlighter. Okay, so I'm done with the highlighter. Now I think she has got a brown liner on top of her eyelids. So I'm going to apply this eye pencil from Nykaa. This is the Glamoreyes in the shade Bronze Beam. And I'm going to apply it very, very close to the lash line. And then smudge it with my fingers. Like you can see it, but you can't, so it's right there in the middle. So it's just creating a little definition, but it's not bam on the face, you know? Now I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes first. I'm not going to apply any false eyelashes today, so I'm going to curl my lashes really, really nicely. I mean, you can see the difference. I'm going to do one eye at a time. So for my mascara, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This mascara has got two sides and I'm going to use the curling side. The way it actually lengthens and curls my lashes, it's amazing. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm just going to leave it at one coat. Okay guys, so that is it. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. It is super easy. Also, I loved that I can use my lipstick as a lipstick, obviously, and as my blush and as my eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this look. Also guys, this bundle, that is the Plum Body Lovin' Hawaiian Roomba Shower Gel and the Spritz, this duo, and other 100% vegan body loving plums. They are available at flat 25% off. Plus you get other freebies on Nykaa as a part of the Pink Friday sale. The Nykaa Pink Friday sale is on till the 30th November, so hurry and get these beachy body care plums at great offers. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.